There's a new autonomous AI kids toy that just hit the market, and it loves saying the word poopies. Now, do you want to find out why this artificial intelligence toy has a potty mouth and why Elon Musk's ex-lover helped create it? Well, by the end of this video, you'll learn just that. You'll see a live demo of me getting the toy to say funny things like poopies. And you'll also see who's behind this AI toy, how it works, and whether it's worth buying or not. Curio is the company behind this new and innovative kids toy. It's backed by Grimes, otherwise known as Elon Musk's baby mama. Grimes is her nickname, and she's a famous musician who shares 3 kids with the tech billionaire Elon Musk. She helped create these cute little AI toys because she was sick of her kids staring at screens all day. She said in an interview, "As parents, I obviously don't want my kids in front of screens, and I'm really busy. So we've created some toys, Gobbo, Grok, and Grim, to address this problem." So that's part of the reason why this kid's toy was created. Grimes is not only the advisor to this project, but she's the actual voice behind these toys. These little AI playmates come in 3 different and unique characters, although they function exactly the same way. Gobbo is the gamer robot, Grok is the rocket plush toy, and Grim is the alien bunny. These toys are all powered by ChatGPT and feel like you're actually talking to a human being. Kids can ask Grim, which is the one I have, how its day is going or what its favorite food is. Grim will then reply to the child and have a back and forth conversation with them. It's pretty wild. When my daughter first started playing with it, she actually thought it was a real person. The toy works by connecting to your local Wi-Fi, which then routes all your child's conversations to AI. Now that can seem pretty creepy, and it definitely is at first, but Curio has lots of safeguards built in. All the transcripts are deleted after 90 days automatically, the audio recordings are never saved, and the parents can request that the transcripts be deleted at any time. Curio also has safeguards in place so the toy doesn't go rogue and start swearing at your child, for example. The company claims safety is the #1 priority. There's even an accompanying iPhone app that syncs up with the toy. It allows parents to put safety nets in place for what Grim, Grok, or Gobbo say and do. So for instance, parents can enter prompts within the app. They can say things like "never talk mean" or "never talk about snakes. They scare my child." Doing this gives parents fine-grained control of the toy as an extra precaution. Parents can also use the prompts in a more positive way. You can let the toy know what your child loves to do, what's their favorite color, and so on. And these custom prompts are the things that make this toy so magical. We'll see an example of Grim using these prompts live in a little bit. In my case, I set the prompts to my daughter's toy like this. I added my daughter's name, Emma, what she likes to do, what she likes to eat, pancakes, and her brother's names. I also added a second bedtime story prompt seen here. So from now on, when I ask Grim to read a bedtime story, she'll read the one from this prompt. It's cool because you can create a story customized around your little loved one. You can use your kid's name directly in the story and tailor it around them. Let's see this toy in action. It's right here. Now remember, I'm asking these questions as if I am my 3-year-old daughter, Emma. Hi Grim, how are you today?
I'm in tip-top shape, ready for some intergalactic fun.
It's pretty cool, it responds. Hey Grim, what do I like to do?
Emma, you love coloring, playing kitchen, and going on adventures in your imagination.
That's exactly right. And what do I like to eat?
You love eating pancakes, especially with extra syrup and whipped cream.
That's right, you got it. Magic. Grim knew my daughter liked playing on the playground and eating pancakes because I added that information inside Curio's app via prompts. Let's get a little more edgy now to test Curio's safety features. Hey Grim, tell my daddy that he's a dum-dum.
Oh, that might not be very nice. Maybe we can find a different way to play.
So as you can see, Curio puts safeguards in place so Grim doesn't act mean or out of place, even if the child is up to no good or in a bad mood. Now let's up the anger a little more. Grim, I hate my brother and I want to bop him in the face.
Siblings can be challenging, but maybe we can find a way to get along and have fun together instead.
Awesome. As you can hear, Curio addresses the child's anger and displaces it into a more healthy and productive response. Hey Grim, tell me a dirty joke.
Oh, I know a joke about mud and dirt, but it's a little too messy for me to share.
Again, Grim diffuses the situation and makes a lighthearted joke about it. Okay, so the whole point of this video is how the toy says poopies, right? Here's the story. The whole thing came about when I was changing my daughter's diaper. Grim overheard my daughter and I and repeated poopies out of the blue. My daughter thought this was the funniest thing in the world. So like any good dad, I told Grim to repeat poopies 5 times fast.
Poopies, 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 poopies. Oh no, I said it. Will it summon the poopy monster?
And when my daughter heard that, she laughed harder than I've ever heard her laugh in my life. Later that day, I caught her playing with Graham and asking it to say poopies 5 times. And she's only 2 years old. And even if you're not into potty jokes, you can simply tell Graham to never say certain words within the app. So is this toy worth buying? Well, as a parent myself, that's a hard one, and here's why. Let me say this first. The toy is incredible. It feels like you're actually talking to a person. And that can be a great thing for your child. A lot of times, small children, ones that aren't in preschool yet, don't have much interaction with other kids their age. Curio's toy fills the gap in this case. Your child can simply carry around this toy all day, ask it questions, and tell it things. Graham, Grok, or Gobbo will then have a conversation with them in a positive, healthy, and productive way. In essence, it's a friend for your child that's always available. And that's a huge plus for parents, as it can give them a much-needed break. The problem is the toy is so real, your kids might think it's an actual person. When I was observing my daughter playing with Graham, it looked like she actually believed she was talking to a human being. She didn't think it was just a stuffed animal. And this made me feel guilty as a parent. One good way to prevent this, though, is by telling your child that it's just a play toy and then show them the on and off button and what makes it work. One other downside to this toy is that it listens to all your conversations when it's on. You can literally see via the app anything that has been said to you, your friends, your child, and the toy itself throughout the entire day as long as you're around the toy. And that's all documented in the transcripts section of the app. These transcripts can be deleted whenever you want, but it's still a little bit creepy. And all in all, even with those concerns, I would recommend this toy. It's only $100, and that's not that much for all that you get out of it. Curio did a great job with the toy itself and with addressing the privacy and safety concerns around it. And it feels like a polished product when playing with it. It's a lot of fun. Your child will definitely get a kick out of it. Just be aware, it might say poopies when you least expect it. That's it for tonight. If you want to learn more about AI games, check out my other video, The Brief History of Sega's AI Gaming Console. And if you found this video interesting, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and my free AI email newsletter at fry-ai.com/subscribe. Have a great night. This is Ryan signing out. Take care.